Gatagati ka maundu maria matanyitwo gukinyanirio ni kamiti iria yamurirwo kumurika mugaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo ni kuheana mutaratara wa kuramata thukuru cia junior secondary.
The presidential working part on reform of education should finally unveil their official report so that the children of Kenyans are not and the teachers are not working on casework.
Ripoti ya kamiti no igitanya guica ikuhi riu mbunge yendekithitie guthurimwo kwa watho wa githomo kia muthingi wa mwaka wa 2012 niguo kugathika mitaratara ya kiwatho ya urugamiriri wa thukuru ici.
If you look at what Honorable RUKU is asking us, that we need to set a policy, guidelines and implementation framework for a project where pupils are already in class. How far can you be with putting a cart before a horse?
It is time we put our education policy, our education system in the constitution, so that it does not change like the weather.
Matogoretio ni MUMBUNGE wa MBEERE ya RUGONGO JEOFFREY RUKU uria utwarite ndereti no thiini wa mbunge. Ambunge MAUGITE gutikoretwo na mwerekera wa ukinyaniria wa mugaruruku maria makoretwo magitafanio sekta-ini ya githomo kia muthingi.
We have had very major changes in this ministry. We have the competency based with the JSS. We have 100% transition. How do we now link and coordinate 100% transition with JS? What is the transition point now?
Ona mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC ukihoragirwo ndefe na banene ya ambunge maugite bururi wathuire o kiambiriria onyihu wa rutani irathi na miako ya mathomo ma aruto ario gatagati ka nditi iria igwetetwo.
Nobody in this country, including the mandarins at the Ministry of Education, can give a clear, coherent roadmap on exactly what we are doing at junior secondary.
The decision to host junior secondary in primary is one step towards equalization. Madam Speaker, we know that in this country, because of categorization of schools, some schools have been given actually oversupplied by resources.
Na ari o miaka iri tu itigarite mbere ya aruto a junior secondary kwa batira ngathi ya mathomo. Mbunge ni onanitie kwaga kuiganira kuona gutikoretwo na mehariria marathie na mbere makoni thukuru cia senior secondary.
That's why there is also something not very clear. What about these established high schools? The Alliance of this world, the Mangus of this world, the Kapsabet of this world. We need to equip those schools to become the senior secondary schools where students now will exceed to go to those schools so that they don't become village high schools and national schools.
Ndereti ino yukite riri gukoretwo na mateta ma gucerithirio gwa kigina kia mahuthiro ma aruto arugamiriri a thukuru itiganite makiuga matire maramukira kigina kia mahuthiro thenge ya minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu kuheana kiriko maita matagitarika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagugina wa Wadiro.
You know, questions are limited.